Just one piece of charcoal like this can make the cockroaches in your home run away in fear. Hello, this is Tracy. Today, I will show everyone 2 ways to get rid of cockroaches in your home using simple ingredients you already have. Using charcoal and salt. I have tried it myself, and there are truly no cockroaches left in my house, especially the charcoal method. It is so effective that even other insects are afraid of it. Let's get started. Start by taking a small piece of charcoal. You don't need any special type of charcoal. Regular charcoal from burned wood will work as well. Then use a grater or another small tool to grind the charcoal into a fine powder. Activated charcoal powder does not directly kill cockroaches, but it interferes with the antennae and sensory organs that cockroaches use to navigate and find food. When these senses are affected, cockroaches become disoriented and have difficulty moving normally or finding their way back to their hiding places. This makes them weaker and less able to survive in your home. Once it has been ground into a fine powder, you only need about 1 teaspoon of charcoal powder and place it into a small bowl or a small plate. Next, add 1 teaspoon of white sugar to the charcoal powder. Sugar plays an important role here because cockroaches are naturally attracted to sweet smells and sweet food sources. When sugar is mixed with charcoal, it acts like a simple bait, attracting cockroaches to come close and eat this mixture. After that, take about half a teaspoon of baking soda and add it to the bowl containing the mixture. Then gently stir so the ingredients are evenly combined. Baking soda plays an important role in this method. When cockroaches are attracted by the sugar and begin to eat the mixture, the baking soda reacts inside their digestive system. This reaction creates gas in their stomach, something their bodies cannot handle, causing pressure to build up inside their bodies. Over time, this makes it impossible for them to survive after eating the bait. Finally, add about half a teaspoon of cooking oil to the bowl and gently stir once more. The oil will help turn the dry ingredients into a slightly thicker mixture, making your bait more attractive. In addition, it keeps the scent of the bait longer and also helps the charcoal particles stick to the cockroach's body, especially their legs and antennae. When they touch the bait, this makes the trap more effective when cockroaches come into contact with it. Now the mixture is ready. The next step is to place the bait in places where cockroaches are likely to find it. Start by taking small portions of the mixture and placing them into bottle caps or small bowls. These small containers make it easy for you to place the bait in different locations around the house. After preparing the bait, place the containers in areas where cockroaches often appear or travel. Good places include kitchen corners, along the paths where cockroaches usually move, and inside the gaps or cracks of cabinets. These are common hiding places where cockroaches look for food, especially at night. Place the bait near walls, under cabinets, or close to dark corners where cockroaches often hide during the day. When cockroaches crawl out and are attracted by the sweet smell of sugar, they will come close to the mixture and begin to eat. Since I started using this method, the number of cockroaches and even other insects that frequently appear has decreased significantly, which shows that this method is very effective, and I think you should definitely try it. Now, let's move on to the second simple method that you can try at home using ingredients already available in the kitchen, which is salt. Start by pouring about 150 milliliters of water into a small cup. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. Use a spoon to gently stir the mixture until the salt dissolves completely. Salt acts as a substance that draws moisture out of the cockroach's body, causing them to become dehydrated. When cockroaches come into contact with this mixture, the salt can gradually weaken them and affect the moisture balance in their bodies. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the mixture and stir gently so everything blends together. Did you know that cockroaches often follow chemical scent trails to guide others to food sources? When you use vinegar, which contains acetic acid, it can break down these scent trails, making it difficult for insects to follow the same path again. Finally, add 1 capful of acetone to the mixture, the kind commonly used to remove nail polish. Then gently stir so the mixture dissolves completely. While stirring, you may notice the liquid becoming slightly cloudy or milky. The strong smell of acetone can make insects dizzy or paralyzed when they come into contact with it. In addition, it can disrupt their ability to navigate. After stirring everything well, carefully pour the mixture into a spray bottle so it is easy to spray around the house, in the areas where cockroaches often appear. First, spray the solution directly along the paths where cockroaches travel, especially in small spaces such as tile gaps, cracks on the walls, and small corners where cockroaches often appear. Especially around areas under tables, under cabinets, or on kitchen counters. These are common entry points where cockroaches usually move around. When the solution is sprayed along these paths, it leaves its scent there, causing cockroaches that come into contact with it to become weakened, paralyzed, and die. And those are 2 ways to completely eliminate cockroaches in your home. Which method do you like more? The charcoal powder mixture or the salt solution? Let me know in the comments below. Or if you have a more effective way to get rid of cockroaches, please share it so I and other viewers can learn from it as well. I hope today's video will be helpful for you if you are struggling to find a way to get rid of cockroaches in your home. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support me. Thank you for watching, and see you again.